Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we used an expression to find the maximum of two numbers. In this video, we will use input parameters and expressions to format date and time. Let's get started. Here, we will create an instant cloud flow, manually trigger a flow, and we will use an input parameter as date type, and then we will add an actions, send an email v2. In the email body, we will go to expressions and search for format date and time function. We will use UTC-now function which will return the value of present date. We will format it month, date and year wise. Here we will use our input parameter from dynamic content which will return the value of the date that we will enter. Now we are going to save and test this flow. We will choose the date as 16th April 2025 and test this flow. Now we can see that our flow ran successfully and we have successfully received this email. That means our flow is verified. And that's it. We have successfully tested our flow. In the next video, we will use input parameters and Copilot to create expressions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.